How can we make it better? So you take a 4-day inspection with scaffolds and everything else, and then you turn it down into something I can do from breakfast to lunch. How can we help you? It's how can we help, well, everybody.
We use drones for a myriad of things. We do models of large structures that historically people had to build scaffolding and go up to do those inspections. We can capture that imagery with a drone. It saves a lot of time. Something that would take 3 or 4 days to build scaffolding before they even send a person up, we can complete in 2 or 3 hours.
When you launch our aircraft, there's so many components that could go wrong. We have different technologies that could do the same things and cost effective in a way that you're not needed to send a helicopter for a type of inspection. Now you can send a drone.
Everything goes back to safety. How can we do it safer? Not putting those people in those environments.
Drone crashes or something is safer than just sending somebody that is close to the wires and lines are down.
Beyond visual line of sight is going to give so much more capability. It's going to really open the doors for the technology.
One of the technologies we're working on is a dock-based drone, kind of a hangar for an aircraft that can live on site at a specific location. We have the capability to fly that remotely from wherever we are, so it's very quick response, quick reaction.
A quick response from the technology versus sending somebody that could take driving and could take effort to go there.
Now we can have someone at a command station and potentially launch that aircraft within limited access facilities, so think plant sites, substations. May have taken an hour or two to get to even assess whether there was a problem or not in the past. We can look at within minutes with a drone.
If you have a storm situation, you have wire down. To get rope over an inaccessible landscape, whether it be a swamp or a river, a gorge, what's taking a 10-man crew 3 or 4 days to lift the same rope that we take 45 minutes to run across a gorge. Getting the customer back on faster, more efficiently, safer.
This world changes so fast that every year all the technologies are drastically new. Not everything that we look at is successful, but you have to be honest with yourself and evaluating that technology as well.
Finding those ways to make things safer, easier. We're not going to get any better if we don't find those changes.